Miss Chris, ang papa ko po ay laging nakikinig sa'yo linggo-linggo. Oh, thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Di lang siya nagte-text, hindi po mahalaga na hindi, paano ba? Okay lang na hindi kayo mag-text. I have a lot of you listeners na minsan nagsusorry sa akin na, sorry, hindi kami nagte-text. It's okay po, hindi ako kailangang i-text. Mahalaga is you're there and you're okay. Favorite song niya po ang Always on My Mind ni Elvis Presley. I like Always on My Mind too kasi kinakanta din ng papang yan dati. Para sa papa ko, Miss Chris, can you sing it? Thank you so much po. From Sammy, De La Paz and family. Hi, Sammy. You didn't tell me kung your papa passed away already. But you said was. Was? So, ibig sabihin ba wala na siya? Oh, so sad naman. I'll try. I'll try later, ha? I'll try later kasi tingnan ko, check ko, research ko yung lyrics kung natatandaan pa ng mind ko yung yung song. I have a lot of listeners na sa tagal naman na din kasi ng Winner Ka Pinoy, 12 years na, yung mga iba nga elementary lang dati, ngayon graduate na, diba? Teacher na, si Mariel. And we had the listener before sa Trinidad Benguet. I forgot his name. And until his death, he was listening to Winner Ka Pinoy. And really, in honor of your father, gagawin ko lahat na makakaya ko. Parang gusto ko sabihin na, pwede bang next time? Pero kasi baka mamaya, sige, I'll try later, ha? May oras pa naman. I'll search for the song Always on My Mind ni Elvis Presley. Ito ba yung, maybe I, na na na, yan ba yun? Anyway, you can answer me, you can text me back. Na 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 na, yan ba yun? Anyway, pero tingin ko yun kasi that's the only Always on My Mind I know. So remembering with gratitude, that's our theme for today, dear friends. And when we remember with gratitude, love continues, di ba? Kasi ang pusong mapagpasalamat talaga, you attract more love and light into your life. At sa kultura nating mga Pilipino, mapagtanaw talaga tayo. Mapagtanaw tayo ng pasasalamat natin, ng utang na loob natin. And now to the request of, nag-try ako sana ba si Kwan? Yung request ni Sammy, Sammy, hindi ko alam, message me again. Pero you talk in the past tense, so siguro wala na ang papa mo. And may he rest in peace. And sana nakikinig pa rin siya ngayon sa Winner Ka Pinoy. I'll try my very best. I haven't sung this song. Ang kinakanta ko lang pag nagkakaraoke ay solitaire. So, I will try my very best, ha? And hindi mo nasabi ang pangalan ng papa mo, but this is for you po, Mr. De La Paz. And maraming salamat for always listening to Winner Ka Pinoy. Okay, this is Always on My Mind by sung by Elvis Presley, as you said. Pag po pumalya ako, pagpatawad nyo na lang po ha, dugtungan nyo na lang. Alright, but this is dedicated to Sammy De La Paz and her family, and especially to their father, who was a regular listener of Winner Ka Pinoy. Alright. Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. If I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry, I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. And maybe I didn't hold you all those lonely, lonely times. And I guess I never told you I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. To keep you satisfied. Ang hirap ng acapella pala. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. But you were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Thank you, Sammy, for, well, sharing with me the favorite song of your father. And Mr. De La Paz, sana magkita kayo ng papang ko and, talk about your beautiful stories while on earth. Sa isa kanta, little things I should have said and done. I just never took the time. So sana, hindi tayo dumating doon sa punto na little things I should have said and done. I just never took the time.